Have you or someone you love experienced a stroke? If not, this is likely as 1 in 4 individuals will experience a stroke at some point in their life. Stroke is the leading cause of disability worldwide. One of the main forms this disability will take is in the form of motor deficits that cause these individuals to lose some of their independence and be dependent on their caregivers or family or other professionals. We started ExoPT to help these individuals regain their independence by using our revolutionary rehabilitation device.
Any stroke patient would ask the question of, why should I go with ExoPT and not the ordinary physiotherapy? Let me tell you what are the problems that could arise from going with ordinary physiotherapy sessions. Physiotherapy sessions are limited to the duration of 6 months, and this is the maximum duration that the insurance companies can cover. The majority of cases for stroke patients need more than 6 months in order to gain for recovery. ExoPT does not have this limit. When you purchase the device, you can use it at home as much as you want. Also, in terms of money, ExoPT costs only $8,000. But going with ordinary physiotherapy could cost you a minimum of $12,000. So imagine you could save a minimum of $4,000 going with ExoPT and not the ordinary physiotherapy. Also, the business model is really simple. Let's look at that. The first step is when our team of doctors prescribes a customized ExoPT device for every stroke patient. The second step is where the insurance companies cover the cost of the device for every patient. And the last part is when they are going through the rehabilitation journey by themselves at home or any place they want, and we wish them a happy and full recovery.
Let's talk our competition, Mimo, Sabo, and Okoma. Mimo is an exoskeleton rehabilitation device, but only provides 2 assisted movement controls. Sabo is rather rudimentary in their design, using only springs to help individuals open and close their hands. This is not sufficient for individuals suffering from a variety of muscular injuries. Okoma is expensive and stationary. That device is only available at very high-end rehabilitation setups. Our device is revolutionary. Our device has 5 assisted motor controls. It is ergonomic and fits an individual so they can wear it all throughout the day. Paired with our EMG bracelet, electrical signals are sent from the brain to the muscles and then picked up by the bracelet and relayed to our motors to allow individuals to get the movement that they were looking for, however, unable to perform. This helps individuals practice using these muscles throughout the day so that at some point they will no longer need our device.
Let's talk about the market we're entering. If we were to put our product in the hands of every stroke patient this year, our total addressable market is worth upwards of $6.4 billion. However, our serviceable attainable market coincides with our global medical exoskeleton market, which is worth upwards of $300 billion. We hope to capture 7 to 8% of that for a serviceable attainable market of $20 million. Now, our go-to market strategy begins at going to some of the top physical therapy and medical conventions out there, establishing credibility and connections within our industry. To begin with market adoption, we start with advertising through TV and radio for the older audiences, as well as advertising through social media platforms like TikTok for spreading awareness, and Facebook for the Facebook groups formed around understanding these daily struggles that these stroke patients go through. Now, to help further with market adoption, we will follow the path from those that came before us and use similar insurance code as they did, making our product much more accessible. Thank you.
ExoPT is based off of many years of research involving stroke patients to help us develop this technology. These participants have had an overwhelming positive response when involved in this research, wondering when they can come back and use the device and when they can take it home. We are asking for $2 million in exchange for 15% of our company. This money will help us in manufacturing and going through the FDA approval process. Join us in helping individuals regain their independence with ExoPT.